Hi everybody, my name's Carly Moore and I'm the Mayor of the City of Hume. I'm here today at our Barrymore Kindergarten to lend my support to the I Love Kinder campaign and to tell you all why I think kinder's so important. Kinder is the fun and friendly way for our children to learn the important skills that they will need to get ready for school. Currently, all of our 4-year-old kinder kids are entitled to 15 hours of kindergarten. 10 hours is paid for by the state government and 5 hours is funded by the federal government. But this could all change at the end of this year. The federal government has not committed to ongoing funding of this really important program. Ad hoc funding just isn't good enough. We need a long-term commitment for certainty for our parents and our kindergarten kids. As the Mayor of the City, but also as a mum who's had 4 children go through the Humes Kindergarten program, I'm really proud to be supporting this campaign.